kind of high, so if you fuck up...
Yeah, point it away from the fucking pitching now. Alright, ready?
Got it.
Holy shit.
Mike.
Oh! 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 Shit! Dude, I can't even see on the fucking camera.
They were like, oh shit.
Bring it over, bring it over. Oh my god.
Dude, that's been so sick. I just keep going on circles hard, yeah.
Shut up, don't say anything. Bring it over us. Bring it over us. Oh my god. Dude, it's moving.
Oh shit.
Dude, dude.
Yo! I'll fucking save you on this thing, dude.
Oh my god, I was getting dug out.
Yo, this video is not coming out good. It's like a blurry. I can't even see the fucking plane on here.
I said try to land it right in front of us.
Land it, bro.
Here we go. Bring her in, bring her in.
Bring her in. Coming in hot.
Coming in hot, coming in hot.
Coming in hot.
Turn it, turn it, turn it.
Shit.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
Uh-oh.
shit.
Uh-oh. Oh!
Right over the gun. Oh my god.